Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change Deepl app language on iPhone. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now, you need to understand a logic that happens when you actually use an iPhone or Android mobile or phone in general. The application that you download is going to be generally installed in your phone with the language or the default language of your phone if this language is supported by that application. For example, I have my phone in Chinese language. If I have downloaded Facebook application, Facebook is gonna be downloaded in Chinese language. So this is the logic that we follow. Now, if Facebook doesn't support Chinese, the default language is gonna be English. So this is the logic. Now, if in case you have downloaded Deepl in any language, well, what you will have to do is to go to your settings. So in iOS, you would need to go to either settings. Of course, you need to have 18.4 iOS and later. So go to your settings and select applications, then default apps. Tap translation, then select Deepl. From there, you would need to change your language through there. So you can authorize which app handles translation when selecting text in apps. But in here, you are going to select the default app that helps you translate. In our case, we would like a language to change, we would like to change the actual language of Deepl of the application. So what can we do? You can literally just go to your mobile and change the language either of your app store or your own mobile. These two solutions, you will be able to actually replace the whole language of the application with the newest language like that, very simple and very easily. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.